Hey guys, everyone has been waiting for the DIY projects. A snow launcher or a big snowball weighs about 300 grams. The distance is about 35 meters. Height check. It's all pretty simple and requires minimal parts. A regular sewer pipe, any piece of plastic pipe, or even a small board can be used as a substitute. A drill, a couple of bolts, a piece of wood, and some rubber. You can use a bicycle inner tube, an old one, but I have this expander. It seems to be elastic, not bad. I'm going to use it. Now that we've made 2 holes, we carefully mark approximately half the pipe, leaning our short board against it and drill a hole in the pipe. Now it's all very simple. We reach in with our hand, thread bolts through, bolts into our hole. I chose bolts with a flat head like this. Now we need a plastic pipe like this one with a fitting, so it's convenient to pull back. I'll make the mechanism like this. So let's measure the length of our pipe. Here it will be secured with ties, our rubber band, and this is where it will end, somewhere around our piston, so that we can load the projectile here, pull it back, and fire. So I need to cut this pipe somewhere around here. This pipe will serve as our piston. Now, we need to take any 2-liter bottle that fits snugly in here, but it didn't rub. I have this 2-liter bottle, and we cut off this edge from it. It can be seen that this part of the bottle is very easy. It moves and slides through our pipe without any friction. Now we need to unscrew the cap. Let's thread our pipe in here, and here either fill this cap with hot glue or use some other kind of glue. In short, we need to glue this like this. Now to put this rubber band on, we need to screw it on right here. For this, I'll just make a few small holes for our ties right here. And we need to make a hole here to screw it on, like this. So we measure out where the 4 small holes will be right here, and we need to make them at precisely equal distances. Here are 2 holes and here are 2 holes. So I just made these holes, and now we need to thread the tie through there. We thread it through once. From the bottom, we reach in and pull it out. Right here. This. Now we carefully place our rubber band here. Clamp it. So, I glued the bottle with hot glue and it holds tightly. Now, we push it in there. We can see that it moves easily, even through our bolts. The lift is moving, and we need to tie this edge in the middle right here with ties as well, safely. And now, when we have almost everything assembled, we secure it with ties. This part here is our piston. After we've just made our snow launcher, we need to make a stock. You can technically shoot it like this, but then the tension won't be very strong, and it's hard to hold it with your hand. Let's make the stock now. 2 boards, half a meter each. I've cut them out, and now we'll screw them in with self-tapping screws. Guys, from the bottom... Well, that's it, guys. This snow launcher turned out really cool. I made it back in October, when there was no snow at all, and the temperature was still plus 10 degrees. You can shoot it braced against your shoulder or against your stomach. The snowballs are really big, weighing up to 300 grams, and they fly really well. Did you see how cool it shoots? I think anyone can make a snow launcher like this. It's made very simply, but it turns out to be a really big, bulky bazooka. I would say... In general, everyone who liked it, put a like, subscribe to my channel, the button is at the top right. Look in the bottom left to see how to make a snowboard yourself. Also check out the playlist with my DIY projects.